In a small stall tucked away in a corner of the marketplace, a humble locksmith named Wei practices his craft diligently. He is known for his skill in crafting intricate keys that can open even the most complex locks. One day, a wealthy merchant named Zhang visits Wei's workshop. He seeks Wei's assistance to craft a special key for his treasured chest, a chest said to hold unimaginable wealth and secrets. Wei and Zhang sitting together discussing the details of the key. Zhang describes the chest's unique design and emphasizes the need for a key that would fit perfectly and unlock its mysteries. Deep in thought, Wei nods and begins working diligently on the key, pouring his heart and soul into the craftsmanship. Late at night, Wei finishes crafting the key. Exhausted yet content, he hands it to Zhang with a slight bow, confident in its perfection. Days pass, and Zhang returns to his luxurious estate, eager to unlock the chest and reveal its hidden treasures. However, to his dismay, the key fails to open the lock. Frustration fills his heart as he wonders how Wei, the renowned locksmith, could have made such an error. Zhang returns to Wei's humble workshop, his face contorted with disappointment and anger. He confronts Wei, demanding an explanation for the faulty key. Zhang's puzzled expression as he tries to comprehend Wei's enigmatic words. He pauses, reflecting on his own expectations and assumptions. Zhang's puzzled expression as he tries to comprehend Wei's enigmatic words. He pauses, reflecting on his own expectations and assumptions. Zhang returns to his estate and examines the chest more closely. To his surprise, he finds that the lock is already open. The treasure he sought was never locked away. It was simply his perception that kept him from realizing it. Zhang returns to Wei's workshop, humbled and grateful. He apologizes for his hasty judgment and expresses his newfound understanding of the true lesson at hand. The key to unlocking treasures lies not in external objects, but within one's own perception. Together, Zhang and Wei sit in quiet contemplation, understanding that the greatest treasures are often found in the depths of our own minds. End. The story concludes with a powerful message about the limitations of perception and the need to question our assumptions. It invites viewers to explore the treasures hidden within themselves and embrace a shift in perspective, leading to a deeper understanding of life's mysteries.